Welcome to my YouTube channel Happy Home Trends. I must say hello to my all friends around the world. I wish and pray all you will be in good state of health and peace. In this video, I will show you pixie haircut ideas, as pixie haircut is a timeless and versatile hairstyle that has become a popular choice among working women for its practicality. This style exudes confidence, making it an excellent choice for busy professionals who want to maintain a polished look with minimal effort. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe icon and share it with your friends. Moreover, pixie haircut for working ladies give the effortless elegance, low maintenance, professional yet stylish, versatility, cool and comfortable which express your personality.